Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to download maps from the Danish website called Kortforsyningen. The first thing we need to do is to log in, and if you haven't set up a user account, I will recommend you to take a look at the tutorial I have made regarding the setup of the user account. But first I will log in. And now we are ready to select the maps that we want to download. And you're able to download different type of maps. If we look under the map types, then what could be interesting for you could probably be the DHM. If I select it, then we can see we can download some contour lines, and this could be relevant for a civil engineering project. And what could also be relevant for you is the FOD data, which we have right here. And to download, for example, the FOD data, I will just click on the FOD. And the next step is to determine the area that we want to download. It could be, for example, a region, it could be the whole country, or you can draw the own area that you want to download. And in this case we want to draw our own area because it might take a lot of time to download large areas. So now I will click on next. And the next step is to determine which type of files that we want to download. If I click on the arrow, then we have, for example, shape files which can be converted into CAD format, so we're able to read them in AutoCAD, or we can select some of the other file types, but I will select the shape file. And also we need to determine which coordinate system we want the maps to be placed in. And in this case we want to select the one called UTM32-ETRS89, and then we'll click on next. And if I just scroll down, so the next step is to select the area that we want to download the maps from. And if we click here, then we can type in, for example, it could be a city or it could be a street name. So now I have typed in the name of the street where VIA University College is located, and I can now select it from the list. And this is the VIA University College. And if I just zoom out a bit, then to draw the area that I want to download the maps from, I can just select the square and draw the area where I want to download the maps from. And we can see this area, the total area is 1.2 square kilometers, and the maximum allowed area that I'm allowed to download at once is 5 square kilometers. So this is okay. So now I can just click on place in basket. And now this is the maps that I have just, or the area that I have just selected. And if I regret it, I can just click here to remove it, or I can continue by clicking down here. And then to download the maps, I will just click on the link right here. And now I have a lot of different maps that I have downloaded, but the newest one is the one on top. And at the moment it's downloading the maps, and depending on the area that you have selected and also how busy the server is, it might take some time. But just to show you an example of some maps that I have downloaded, when you download the FOD data, you will get a zip file where you have a different type of files located within. So the file that you need to open is the FOD folder, and in here you have some different maps. We have, for example, the traffic, technical, nature, and so on. So we have some different maps located within the FOD folder. So if I just open one of them, then we have some shape files that we can convert into CAD formats. But if you're just using the regular AutoCAD version, then you will not be able to read the shape file, but then you need another program to convert them. But I think if you have AutoCAD Civil 3D, you might be able to read the shape files. But I will make another tutorial on how you convert shape files into CAD formats.